So this is a system in which I'm enhancing my product's image, and even can create this system even can create products different variations. And this automation is being built for our SaaS system Digerify, specifically for its product variation images. And the image which I gave him is this one. It's kind of a rough image. I grabbed it from Google's open source images, and here it is, the refined image generated by Gemini 2.5, or we can say n8n Flash. As you can see, the image is like professionally captured and all that stuff. So how I created is, first of all, as it is right now in testing phase, so I'm sending the request using Postman. In message, I'm sending what I really want, the context of that whole uh, image, and then with the product title and product description of that product. And after sending that, first of all passing it into three different blocks. First of all, the base 64 of that image, and then the product's context, like the product's title and description, and obviously defining what the agent has to do. And then here I'm generating an image prompt to generate the image using my Gemini, and here I'm generating the image using this HTTP node, where I'm defining and even giving the image which I have which the user has given me as a reference. And then here I'm like getting that base 64 and converting it into an image. So here you can see this is the image, and this is how my automation is working.